Today, I'm going to share 9 wealth secrets inspired by Warren Buffett. Secrets that made him one of the richest people alive. We start with number 9 and build up to the most powerful secret at number 1. Let's go. 9. Start small. Start now. Warren Buffett began very young. He did not wait for perfect time. He started with small money. The secret is start today. He bought his first stock at only 11 years old. He learned from early mistakes. Small steps build big results. Many people wait forever. They say, "I need more money." Buffett never waited long. He acted even with little. He saved every dollar. He invested what he had. The habit started early. Small actions grow over time. He read books every day. He studied companies carefully. Knowledge came first for him. Start small. Knowledge is free. He told young people, do not wait for big chance. Begin with what you have. That is how wealth begins. The secret is simple. Start today. Start small. Do not fear the beginning. Every millionaire started small. Action beats waiting always. One small step today leads to big change tomorrow. Warren Buffett proved it. Now you can start too, with one small action. Learn English or invest. The secret is start now. 8. Spend less than you earn. Rich people control spending. They do not buy everything. They save the difference. The secret is live below means. Buffett lives very simply. He still lives in old house, bought in 1958. He does not need luxury. He drives the same car. For many years, he spends little money on things that lose value. Many people spend more than they really earn. They buy new phones, new clothes every month. This creates debt. Debt stops wealth growth. Buffett avoids debt always. He pays cash for things. The secret is clear. Earn more than you spend. Save the rest wisely. That is how rich grow. Start today with one rule. Spend less than you earn. Even small savings matter. Over time, they become big. Buffett follows this rule. For his whole life, it made him wealthy. You can do the same. 7. Invest for the long term. Buffett does not chase fast money. He thinks in years, not days. He stays patient and calm. The secret is long-term thinking. He buys companies he likes. He holds them for decades. He does not sell quickly. When price goes down, many people want quick profit. They buy and sell fast. They lose money often because they panic. Buffett waits for value. He buys when others sell. He sells when others buy. That is his strategy. Time is his friend. Good companies grow slowly. Compound interest works magic over many years. He says, we hold forever. He believes in patience. Short-term thinking loses. Long-term thinking wins. The market goes up and down. Buffett ignores daily noise. He looks at the future, 10 or 20 years ahead. This secret is powerful. Invest for the long term. Do not chase quick wins. Let time work for you. Start with long-term view. Choose good investments. Hold them with patience. Wealth will come. 6. Keep learning every day. Warren Buffett reads a lot. He spends hours every day reading books and reports. Knowledge becomes power. He reads 500 pages every single day. He says, knowledge grows daily, like compound interest. He learns from mistakes, his own and others. He studies business history to avoid bad choices. Many people stop learning after school or university. Buffett never stopped. He learns all his life. He reads newspapers, financial reports, company letters, everything useful. Learning gives advantage. The more you know, the better decisions you make in investing and life. The secret is simple. Never stop learning. Read every day, even just 30 minutes. Knowledge grows slowly, but it grows forever. Buffett became rich because he never stopped. You can do it too. Start reading today. Learn one new thing every single day. 5. Choose quality. Buffett buys great businesses, not cheap things with no value. Quality grows stronger with time and patience. He looks for companies with strong brands, good management, and real advantages. He calls it economic moat, something that protects the business from competitors, like a castle moat. Cheap stocks can be traps. They look cheap, but they stay cheap or become cheaper. Quality companies cost more, but they last longer. They make more money year after year. Buffett waits for good price on great companies. Then he buys and holds, sometimes for decades. The secret is clear. Choose quality always, in business and in life. Quality wins long term. Start looking for quality in investments and friends, in products you buy. Quality brings real value. Buffett built fortune by choosing quality. You can do the same. Start today. 4. Avoid debt. Debt can destroy future. Rich people use money wisely. They do not live on credit. The secret: avoid debt. Buffett hates debt. He says, debt is dangerous. It makes you slave to banks and interest. Many people buy cars, houses, and things with borrowed money. They pay interest forever. Buffett pays cash. When he buys things, he avoids loans, except for good reasons. Good debt can help, like mortgage for house, but bad debt hurts. Credit cards and luxury. He teaches young people, live below your means. Save first, then spend what is left. The secret is simple. Avoid bad debt. Use money you have, not money you borrow. Debt creates stress. It limits freedom. Buffett stays free because he avoids it. Start today. Cut bad debt. Save more money. Your future thanks you. 3. Be patient. Wealth takes time to build. Buffett waits for right moment. He does not rush decisions. The secret: patience wins. He buys when others sell. When prices are low, he sells when others buy. When prices are high, most people want fast money. They buy high. They sell low. They lose money. Buffett stays calm. He waits years for good opportunities. Patience is his strength. He says the stock market is a device for transferring money from impatient to patient. Time rewards patience. Good investments grow with compound interest over many years. The secret is powerful. Be patient in everything, in investing, in learning, in life. Rushing causes mistakes. Patience brings clarity. Buffett became rich because he waited. Start practicing patience. Wait for good moments. Do not rush. Success will come. 2. Stay calm in crises. Markets go up and down. Buffett stays calm when others panic. The secret is don't panic. During big crashes, people sell everything. They lose money because of fear. He says be greedy. When others are fearful, be fearful. When others are greedy. Crises create bargains. Good companies on sale. Patient investors win. Panic sellers lose. He stayed calm. In 2008 crisis, he invested billions. He made huge profits. The secret is mental. Control your emotions. Fear and greed destroy. Calm thinking wins. Practice staying calm in small problems, then in big ones. You will make better choices. Buffett built wealth by staying calm. You can do it too. Start today. 1. Think like an owner. Buffett invests like owner. He wants real value, not quick profit. The secret is don't gamble. He buys shares, like he buys whole company. He looks at business, not just stock price. He asks questions. Is this company good? Does it have advantage? Will it grow long term? He avoids gambling. He does not speculate. He invests in facts, not in hopes. He holds companies for many years. He thinks like owner. He cares about results. Many people buy stocks to sell quickly. They follow trends. They lose money. Buffett thinks different. He builds wealth slowly with real businesses that create value. The secret is powerful. Think like an owner. Buy quality. Hold long term. This mindset changes how you invest, how you live, how you succeed. My advice: these 9 secrets are simple, but very powerful. You do not need to be perfect. Just start with one step today. Keep learning every day. Stay patient with yourself. Believe in the process. Small actions become big. And remember one more thing. What I am doing right now, sharing knowledge with you. You can do the same. Share what you learn with friends and family. Teach others. Help them grow. When you share knowledge, you learn twice, you help others, and you build real value. So start today. Learn English, learn money secrets, then share with others. Thank you for watching until the end. Which secret was your favorite? Comment below. I read every comment. If it helped your English or your thinking, like the video. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple English lessons with real value. Practice shadowing every day. Share this video with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.